Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this 1983 Buick Riviera, and this is the last one in this moving part series by Matchbox for India as of now, and I bought this for 399 rupees. I personally loved this one because it has a golden color to it with a glittery paint job. Okay, let's unbox and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. Okay, the first impressions of this car is it looks really beautiful. The paint job is really amazing because it's a glittery golden color. This looks really nice. So they didn't paint anything on the headlights, but you can see here it is just embossed out. Even the grille details are a bit better than the others, like this Mercedes-Benz or Ford Bronco. At least here they actually put some grills here instead of painting it. The paint job looks really nice. The bottom is all chromed out. And the wheels are made of plastic. So the openable parts is the door here. Okay, I don't know why I'm not able to open on the right side fully. Okay, it's a bit tight. Okay, got it. So it has some decent interior detailings to it. I don't know how the windshield is getting scratched. And this is new out of the box. It has the satisfying click to it while closing, and it is not loose. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, this is smooth. It is not fast, but it is better than the Benz. That wheels does wobble. Both the wheels does wobble. It looks really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing and share this video as well. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.